Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have Samsung Galaxy A50, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to speed up the phone, how to increase the speed of this phone. As you can see, the animation is also very slow. So what we can do, we can get into the settings. In the settings we must have developer option on, and in the developer option you can scroll down to the animation. So here, Windows animation scale, it sets on 2x. So what we can do, we can put it on 0.5, and transition animation scale supposed to be on 0.5, and animator duration scale we're gonna put it on 0.5, and that's it. That's how you speed up your phone, and it's also one of the settings that speed up your phone.